What is going on, guys? My name is UnlimitedCop, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started reselling in 2020. Now before we get into the video, guys, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is UnlimitedCop. I upload sneaker videos, streetwear, botting, and a whole bunch of other things. If you guys are interested, I would definitely be sure to check out some other videos. Without any further ado, guys, let's just hop right into it. I'm actually co-owner now of Flips.io, guys. If you are familiar with my channel, as you saw like a couple of videos, I've been sponsored by them. I'm actually co-owner of the group now. I am very excited to be with them. If you guys are interested in joining Flips.io, you can definitely check the link down in the description below. I'll have some memberships in there. It might be sold out. If it is, follow their Twitter, I guess. I've been really impressed with the group, and they offered me a position in there, and I just couldn't pass it up. I have a lot more free time now that I've graduated high school. So honestly, guys, Flips.io is going to be my main priority. So I'm really going to try to take the group to the next level. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be going over how you guys can get started reselling in 2020. I'll be going over how you guys can get the items, where they're going to be releasing, how to know when they're releasing, how to sell the items, and a whole bunch of other things. And as always, guys, if I do help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit the subscribe button for more content, and definitely be sure to check out some other videos. So getting started reselling is honestly pretty easy, guys. You are going to need a couple of things. The first is going to be a little bit of capital. I recommend having anywhere from $100 to $200 to get started, just because that's going to give you a little bit of money to play with. Now, if you are going to be reselling sneakers, obviously you're probably going to need a little bit more, somewhere around $300 maybe to $500. The next thing you guys are going to need is a little bit of time. It's obviously going to take a little bit of effort to actually get the items, receive the items, package it up, and resend them out. Honestly, guys, it's not that much time to actually get the items and then just send them back out. It's only going to take you a couple minutes to actually get the item. We have in-depth release guides on Flip, so you guys can see those, know exactly when it's dropping, where it's dropping, so you can just go in there, cop at that time, and then they'll ship it to you. You can post it on eBay. We're going to have templates on eBay, so you guys can just copy and paste those from Flips onto your eBay account, and then you'll be good to go. Once it sells, ship it out, and then you've made profit. That's pretty much it, guys, for what you need to get started. Really, it's only time and money. A couple physical things you guys are going to need is going to be a printer. If you guys don't have one, I'll leave links down in the description to my printer. Actually, it's a really nice printer. It was only $50 or so. I don't know the exact price, but just check the link in the description. Packaging tape you guys are going to need, and scissors. I guess who doesn't have scissors? That's pretty much it, guys. You need a printer, packing tape, then you just use the box that the item came in, and then you just reship it out to your buyer. I know that was a pretty short segment, guys, but really that's all that it comes down to. You just have to get the item. Once you have the item, package it up, put a shipping label on it, then send it to your buyer, guys, and you're pretty much good to go. Next, I want to hop onto my computer and show you guys a little bit more around Flips, show you what I'm talking about with these in-depth release guys, and there's a whole bunch of other ways to make money on there. So without any further ado, let's just hop right onto my computer. Alright, guys, as you can see, we're on my computer now. So I'm just going to be starting from the top and going down, showing you guys some of the channels and what they're used for. So once you guys first join Flips, you'll see the getting started page. Really easy to use. We have a guide here so you guys can get familiar with the channels. You can ask any questions in support tickets or in the questions channel. We have roles dedicated, if you want to be tagged for certain items. So if you only want sneaker notifications, you can get a role for that. And then if you guys want to add your phone number to get SMS alerts, you can do that in the command section. Basically what we're going to do is when Yeezy Supply goes live, we'll text you guys. If Adidas goes live, or there's a shot drop on Nike sneakers, we'll text you guys letting you guys know that it's live. The next channel is going to be an announcements channel. Honestly, this is pretty boring. Basically it just says what we're going to be doing with the server, and same thing for important. And they have daily reminders showing you guys what's dropping today and a couple ways to make money. Then we have our group buys channel. We have a ton of group buys. Really, there's honestly a lot of them. We had a Galaxy Premium beta copies yesterday, I think that was. We have proxy company group buys, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Unknown proxy group buys. We got Wrath weeklies for last week for the Supreme box logo. We had a bunch of free Supreme bots actually for the box logo last week. Moose trivia invites for free. We also do a bunch of giveaways, guys. If I'm not running a bot, I'll just throw up on here so one of you guys can run the bot. We give away cash. We actually have weekly and monthly events. So we have a trivia night where we'll give 3 winners $10 each. Or it's a movie night where we'll be giving away money on there. We just have a bunch of community activities that brings us closer together as a group. It's honestly really fun, guys. It's a really good time. If you ask anybody in the group, they'll tell you we have a good community. So if you guys are in the group already and you know about the community, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys' favorite thing about the community is. We have slots for you guys that want to get shoes but don't have a bot. You can just run slots. We have verified slot providers to know that you guys are going to be getting good slots. We have a free food channel. So we have in-store drop for you guys on Best Buy, Target, Walmart. I actually can't show you guys that. To show you guys what to go in store for, how much it retails for, how much resale is. And we have eBay templates, so it's really easy for you guys to list on eBay. We have that for Walmart, Target, Best Buys, and other stores. Some of our online flips, we have stuff like this, the retail price is $80. Then you can drop ship these for $120. We have these birthday cake Kit Kats. They're going crazy. We've been cooking these for about a month. People have made hundreds of dollars off Kit Kats, which is really crazy. because retail for one bar is like $1. Then you obviously sell them for like 4 Kit Kats for 12 bucks. Like, it's crazy, guys. Then we obviously have our sneaker release information. As you can see, like for the Travis Scotts, we have all the information here. We have the New Balance information. I'm also in here telling you guys what to do for sneakers, like answering any botting questions or anything like that. Then we have a bunch of monitors. We have a Best Buy monitor monitoring like switches, Oculuses, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you guys can resell. Same thing for Target. You can see all the switches coming in stock. GameStop, Walmart, and Tops. If you guys don't know what Tops is, it's a card manufacturer site which you can make a ton of money on. Like, they randomly drop these cards for like $100 for like a big set, and resale on them is like $300 to like $400, so it's really crazy. I think we had a member cop like 2 or 3 sets the other day, which is like mind-blowing. That's easy, like 600 bucks. So if you guys aren't on the Tops wave just yet, honestly, what are you doing? They're really low key right now, but I think people are gonna start catching on. So it's a really good way to make some money. Next up is our Twitter monitor. Honestly, guys, I've been testing the Twitter monitor, and it's definitely one of the fastest on the market. It might even be the very fastest. So if you guys are looking to catch bot restocks, I know Balco's restocking tomorrow. If you guys are trying to get bot restocks like that or Cyber, definitely gonna need a fast Twitter monitor. So we do have you guys covered there. Same thing for Instagram. If a bot restocks on Instagram, as you can see, we have it here like when Splash Force did. Then we have a lounge where people are just talking in here. You can talk to people. As you can see, I'm in chat talking to you guys. We have a questions channel, answer you guys' questions. Success channel, we have a ton of success. And support tickets, we have our own system, satellite support. You guys can just send a message to the bot, and then it'll open up a channel for all our staff members to see, and we can get back to you with the right answer. These are our partners here. As I said, we have a Pulsar group buy every single month. Reselling Pulsars like 100 to 150 bucks right now. Might even be 200. I'm not sure the exact amount, but just right there, if you're buying Pulsar for $15, reselling it for 150, that's an easy $135 profit. We have a Fatty group buy, which if you guys know Fatty, it's a really good autofill. We also have Zinni Scripts as a partner. We have Alien All-in-One, which is coming soon. And then we have an AYCD partnership, so you guys can get AYCD anytime you need it. And we also do ticket reselling, which unfortunately, because the coronavirus is going on right now, there's not any shows actually coming out. So ticket reselling is paused at the moment, but it's definitely going to be coming back. We have an EU flip section, so you guys can get some EU deals and stuff. We have Funko and Toys, which as you can see right here, $12, reselling for $25. If you get a Chase, it's going to be 60 to 70. Hot Wheels is actually a really big thing, guys. As you can see, retail right now is going to be like 35 bucks, reselling for 120. Reselling Hot Wheels is a huge game, guys. Like, we have all the information you guys need. We have random resale, so like these shorts that I don't even know what they are, retailing for $100, reselling for $200. We have a really good sports cards guy. He knows what he's doing. He's made a lot of people a lot of money. Then we have some DSF lineups. You guys can get started in that. Then we have a main chat talking about everything. We have a bunch of BrickSeek monitors and BrickSeek things. As you can see, your retail is $35, listing for $105. We just have a bunch of BrickSeek information, so if you guys are in need of that, there's a bunch there. We have price savers, Amazon deals, discounts, and then we have crypto information. Crypto's going crazy. If you guys haven't bought Bitcoin, I probably would suggest buying it. We have stocks. We have brick reselling, if you guys know what that is. We have goat steals, giving you guys good deals on goat. Bot investments. We have a really good bot investments guy. He's honestly crazy. He does a really good job. And then as you can see, we have our eBay listings here, giving you guys the description, the title, and all that good stuff. Obviously, guys, these aren't every single feature we have in Flip Sale. We have a bunch more. If you guys are interested in checking us out, I'll leave links down in the description below so you guys can join. Keep in mind, memberships are limited, and I actually think they're reselling right now. So if you guys do want in, I would be sure to join sooner than later. And guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if it would help you guys out in any way, please be sure to hit the like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. And definitely check out some other videos. If you guys haven't already, be sure to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, all that good stuff linked down in the description below. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.